my name is Preeti and today is my day 6 of speaking English challenge for 21 days. So guys, in this video I would like to talk about why we should learn English. So the question is why we should learn English. So I think if your why is clear, so I don't need too much explain about this topic, but in this video I want to talk about this topic. So guys, in this era, if we don't have enough knowledge about English, I think we can't survive, because many people said like we are Indian, so we don't need to learn this language because we can survive here. We have our mother tongue and regional language, many languages. So that is why we don't need too much focus about English. So guys, I must say if I talk about personally, so uh, I want to say English is very important, because if you go somewhere, it could be anywhere, our country and other country. So if you are traveler, so if you go somewhere and you don't know about this language, so how can you survive there? So that is why if you have enough knowledge about English, so you can go anywhere, because this language is globally very required. So that is why English is must necessary in this era. And I must say, but many people have their own opinion about this English. But if I talk about pers- uh, like professionally in English, so English is very requiring language these days, because if we have enough knowledge and we have a good command on English, so we can get a more opportunity in our life, we can get a good job in our life. Because if we don't have a good communication in English, so I think no one is want to hire us. So that is why if we have a good command in English, so we have a more opportunity in our life and we can live our life more professionally, rather than who have not enough knowledge about this language. So guys, that is why I personally love this language. Earlier I was not aware much about this and I didn't much focus about this language. So that is why right now I am on my learning process. So that is why I'm juggling in this language, but I want to be fluent and I want to do something new in my life in this mm, language, because this language play a crucial role in your life. And you can change your personality and you can change your life, because if you have a good command in this language, so you may get more opportunity in your life. And this language is going to help and grow in your life. So guys, I want to say this all things because English is very necessary. That's why people are crazy these days to learn this language. And many people are there who want to learn this language. So I must say, who are beginner in this language, who want to learn this language, so try to understand the process of this language. And later then, if you know some basic rules and all things, so you definitely love this language. Because earlier I was thinking, I think this is not my cup of tea and this is a very vast subject and I can't learn this. So guys, gradually I focused on this language, and right now I can explain something about front of other and front of camera because of my hard work. Because if I talk about like if I want to if I was thinking like this, once I get fluent in this language, so that time I speak, and right now I don't need to speak, so that is not going to help you anywhere. So just if you want to good command in this language, so you need to focus from scratch and try to learn every day new things. Because if you want to get fluency in a month and in a short period of time, so guys, that is not going to help you. Because personally I struggling and I did so hard work in this language, so right now I can call my thought like this. So guys, I am happy about this, because if I get demotivated, I'm not fluent yet, and I think I have not enough knowledge about this language. So I think this is not going to help me. Because we should always be positive. Because if we think positive, so I think this is going to help us in our journey. So guys, that is why uh, I love this language, and if I try to learn something new in this language, so I will definitely reach at my goal. And if you are also beginner, so guys, try to everyday focus on this language, and later then once you get uh, a good command in this language, so then you don't need too much focus on this language. You just gradually and grab all things automatically. So that is why, guys, I want to talk about this language. This language is very necessary, and who all want to learn this language, so try your best to learn this language. And who don't want to learn this language, so it's their uh, choice. So I must say it's their choice who all want to learn and who uh, don't want to learn. So guys, that is all for this video, and I want to talk about this particular topic. So guys, I don't want to make my video longer, so that is why I try to make my video 5 to 6 minutes only. And that's all for today, and I'll come with the new topic and new video. Till then, bye.